Angles in Inscribed Quadrilaterals Part 2. This is when we're going to use what I started with in 12. So it wants the arc, the measure of arc AD. So from A to D, that's what we're looking for. To get that, we are going to need you could do it a couple of different ways. Let's see what we have first. Okay, so this is 89 degrees. So this angle right here makes this arc. So if I multiply 89 by 2, get 178. So the whole thing is 178, but I know part of it is 97. So if I subtract 97, we get 81. So this arc is 81. This arc right here, so I know the 49 and the 81. So if I add those together, I get 130. So this whole thing is 130. If I divide by 2, I get 65. So that angle is 65. Using what we learned in 12, opposite angles in an inscribed quadrilateral add up to be 180. So 180, probably where I should have started off with on the first one. So 180 minus 89 is 91. 91 times 2 is 182. All of this is 182 because of the 91. And since this is 49, we would subtract and this arc is 133. I probably should have done that to begin with. I tried to make it too hard. I did make it too hard. I'm looking for angle D. That's my goal. I see all three of these, so I can find this arc fairly fast by adding them up. 149, 49, and 77. 18, 7, 25. I'm doing this in my head, so you may want to get a calculator and check my work. 360 minus 275. 85. So this arc is 85. This is the inscribed angle. So all of this, if I add 85 and 49 up, I get 134. Divide it by 2, and I get 67. So angle D is 67. Pretty much what we just got finished doing. 140, 92, and 56. 13, 18, 288. Subtract that from 360. And this arc is 72. So first one I'm looking for is C. So 92 plus 72 is 164. And if I divide that by 2, I get 82. 82. Angle D is this arc right here. 72 plus 140 is 212. Divide that by 2 and get 106. 106. Opposite angles. So 180 minus 65 is 115. D is 115. (180) minus 122 is 58. So we're looking for AB. That is not an inscribed angle. So if I take the 58 here and double it, I get 116. All of this is 116. This is when it's going to get messy again. If I take this right here, since the inscribed angle is 65, this arc is 135 or 130. 30. Let me see. Since they overlap, this part is what's left from the overlapping. So 130 minus 116 is 14. So 116 minus 14 is 102 because of this arc right there. And BC. Oh, I already found it, didn't I? No, I didn't. Okay. And let me look real quick. So this would be 102. And 130 minus 14 would be DC. So this is 116. And BC is what's left. So 116 plus 14 plus 102, 360 minus 232, 158.